everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome again. Today I'm back with another English related video for you all. Today's video is about a magic word. Well, why is it a magic word? Because it has many uses. So today's word is get. A very simple word, and I know most of you know its meaning. But do you know that this word get can be used in many different ways? There are several uses of get. So today this video is about how you will use get in daily life sentences. So let's look at the meanings of get and where we can use it. We use get when we have to buy something. Like to buy, over there we can replace that buy with get. So I got a new car. What is it? It means I bought a new car, right? Got is the past form of get and bought is the past form of buy. So if you want to replace bought, you can use got. So I bought a new car, I got a new car. One use. Now the second use, to understand something. You understood something. So there you use the word get. I get what you mean. What does it mean? I understand what you mean. I get what you mean. Now the third use, to reach a destination or to arrive at a particular place. For example, how to get to the airport. Right, here get means what? To reach to the airport. So how to get to the airport. Now its fourth use, you can use it to express emotions. I got angry. She got nervous. She got excited. See? And its fifth use is to receive something from someone. Okay, you received something, you got something. Congrats, you finally got a promotion. So these are a few of its uses, and these are not only its uses, there are many more uses of get. So today in this video, I am going to tell you 50 daily use English sentences using the word get, so that you understand this word much better. So without any delay, let's begin with the sentences. Did you get my message? I get to school by 8 a.m. She got home around midnight. They got to see Amitabh Bachchan. They are so lucky. Did you get to see him? Get to the point. Congrats, you finally got the job. We need to get help. I'm having trouble getting a hotel room. Can you get me the newspaper from downstairs? You will get time to think. Anu got shocked when she saw her. To get a better view, you need to climb 300 more steps. Don't you get it? Oh yes, I get it. My mother told me to get back home by 9 p.m. I need to get my teeth fixed. How do we get out of this? We need to get going. Get up, you will miss your bus. Go and get your jacket. Get well soon. I got you a present. How did you get so thin? I got awarded for my performance. Don't get ahead of yourself. Don't worry, you'll get used to it. Get out of my sight. Let's get things done quickly. Go get some rest. You have worked hard. We get along very well. We need to get ready for our school. I'm getting a bad feeling about this. I need to get her number. Don't do it, you'll get into trouble. Let's get rid of it. She got nervous before the presentation. Let's get something to eat. Did you get paid for it? I never got the chance to see him. We should get away from this place. When do I get the money? How did you get fired? Go out and get some fresh air. Don't get me wrong. Let's get started, everyone. I don't want to get involved here. I got my driving license last week. I'll get my car repaired. Could you get me the menu, please? So, these are the 50 daily use sentences using the word get. I hope you understood where and how do we exactly use this word. So this is a very diverse word, obviously, and you can use it in many different ways. So now it's your turn. Comment at least 5 sentences using get with its different meanings, okay? I'd eagerly be waiting for your comments, and I'd be back with a new English related video soon. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and meet you in the next video. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.